Here I've got V-Mobile S39 and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to find and select Play Store. I've got it on my home screen. Now slide right to open the settings and go to My Apps and Games. Here you will see the tab Updates, and below you have all applications that need to be updated. So for example, let me show you how to update application by Google. So let me click on Update right beside Google icon, wait a couple of seconds until the latest version is downloaded and then installed. As you can see, it's already almost 50%, so it will be finished within a short while. And that's it. As you can see now, under recently updated, you will find Google. If you would like to update all applications at once, simply click on Update All, and then it will be automatically done. So that's basically all. Now you can go back to the home screen and use your device as usually. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.